Hi, just a quick video. I'm going to show how to replace the B pillars on the exterior of the Cadillac XT4. Many of you get this delamination and replace it with a nice shiny new Cadillac panel. So these are actually really simple. You can see great instructions on how to do this online, so hence the video. But basically all you're going to do is put your window down, pull out this rubber window seal, and you're going to expose two Torx. And if you look at the new panel, it's basically what the connections are, two Torx. And it does have a groove that has to fit over a connector. I'll show you that in a second. And it does have this lip on the back. So if you're looking at it this way, it's got a lip on the back that will have to, kind of go in onto the back of the frame, and then you'll put the seal up against it and then put those Torx back in. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to take these two Torx out. Just be careful not to drop them down. I don't take this weather stripping all the way out. You can, it just pulls straight up. I've just been leaving it. I did the other side already. But I'm going to pause it and take those two Torx out. Alright, we're back. So I got those out. If you notice, this inner strip goes over top of the pillar cover, so just keep that in mind when you're reinstalling it. You'll have to get that over it. At this point, I'm going to open the door. I'm going to pull this out a little bit, and basically you're going to pull it up. Don't force the back edge because the back edge is a lip, but just the left side, pop it. And then you're going to probably run into a little resistance just because of it's clipped over this seal here. But once you have it up, you can pull it away from the door and then just work it up. And that is it. So that lip goes over top of this. The tabs are going to end up on here. It will have to tuck under this channel, and then you'll just tuck the weather strip back. This tab here goes into that tab. Alright, so I'm going to set the old one down. Nasty. I'm going to pause it, get the other one ready to go, and then come back. Alright, so we got the new one. So this is going to be a little tricky one-handed, but I'm basically going to get this started down in here until I know that it's about the right height. Right? I'm just going to match the top. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this one-handed, but that's effectively what you're going to do. You're going to work this bottom down in first. Make sure your lip ends up over this, and then you'll feel it kind of click into place up here. Then you're going to work this tab over. So I can't do this one-handed, but you've gotten the hard part. You've got it off. So without doing a ton of disassembly, you do not have to remove the window channel. I have not had to do that. It might be a little easier with it off, but I didn't take it off. Alright, so I'm going to pause it and install this. So I've gotten it back on there. I haven't secured it, but as you can see, I've got the holes lined up. I've got this inner rubber piece back over the lip, channel down in here. If you want to take this off, you can. It literally just fires straight up. There's no Torx or anything on this. You can lift it up, because when I went to redo this rubber piece got a little stuck. I just had to pull it up and reset it, but you can pull this up and kind of move it out of the way. Be careful, unless you take it all the way off, you could bend it. But like I said, I didn't find it necessary. So it's popped in, you can feel it. It's over this edge, okay? And then you just need to put the two Torx back in. And then if your seal pulled up, you may have to push the seal down into the window a little bit so that you get all this excess out. Once you do that, it will literally just slide right back in, and you will have new pillars, and that's what they're gonna look like compared to your old ones. So any questions, comments, comment down below. Thanks.